Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is our last line of defense when all other controls have been applied. Every helmet, glove, safety shoe, and goggle you wear is not just a company requirement, it is protection for your life, your eyesight, your hearing, and your future. In this video, we will talk about what PPE compliance means, why it is important, what is expected from you, and how non-compliance can change lives in just 1 second. On-screen text, PPE compliance. Protect yourself, protect your team. PPE compliance means using the correct PPE in the correct way at the correct time, every time. It is not only about wearing something on your head or hands, it is about making sure PPE is suitable for the task, fits properly, is in good condition, and is worn from the start of the job until it is completed. Compliance also means following site rules, client standards, and legal requirements related to PPE. Ignoring PPE rules is not a small issue. It is a violation of health and safety policy and can lead to disciplinary action. In our industry, we deal with hazards like falling objects, sharp edges, chemicals, noise, heat, dust, and moving vehicles. Engineering controls and safe systems of work reduce these risks, but some risk always remains. PPE is designed to control that remaining risk. A safety helmet cannot stop an object from falling, but it can prevent a serious head injury. Safety glasses cannot remove all dust from the air, but they can protect your eyes from flying particles. When workers ignore PPE, the body is directly exposed to danger. Many real accidents show a simple pattern. The worker had PPE available but did not wear it, or wore it incorrectly. The result was an injury that could have been prevented in seconds. Let us quickly review the main types of PPE and typical compliance issues. Head protection. Safety helmets must be worn in all designated areas. Common problems include loose chin straps, damaged shells, and stickers or drilling that weaken the helmet. If your helmet is cracked, expired, or has been involved in an impact, report it and replace it. Eye and face protection. Safety glasses, goggles, and face shields protect against dust, sparks, chemicals, and flying debris. Non-compliance includes removing glasses during grinding, lifting them to the forehead, or using scratched and unclear lenses. If you cannot see clearly, you cannot work safely. Hearing protection. Earplugs or earmuffs are required in high-noise areas. Many workers put them on only when they see a supervisor. This short period of unprotected exposure can still damage hearing over time. Hand protection. Different gloves protect against cuts, heat, chemicals, and electricity. Wearing the wrong type of glove is also non-compliance. For example, cotton gloves do not protect against chemicals. Always choose gloves as per the task and remove damaged gloves from use. Foot protection. Safety shoes with toe and sole protection must be worn on site. Some workers open laces or use damaged shoes with worn-out soles. This increases the chance of slips, trips, and crushing injuries. Fall protection. Full-body harnesses and lanyards must be used properly at height. Non-compliance includes not tying off, connecting to weak anchor points, or using harnesses that are not inspected.
PPE compliance is a shared responsibility. The company must identify hazards, provide suitable PPE free of cost, train workers on correct use and maintenance, and replace damaged or expired PPE. Supervisors must lead by example, enforce PPE rules, stop unsafe work, and correct non-compliant behavior immediately. Workers must wear PPE correctly, care for it, report damage, attend training, and never enter a work area without required protection. Saying it is only a 2-minute job or nothing will happen is not acceptable. Safety rules apply to every job, large or small. Non-compliance with PPE can lead to cuts, eye injuries, fractures, burns, hearing loss, or even permanent disability and death. It also affects your family, your team, and your company. From a disciplinary side, repeated non-compliance can result in written warnings, suspension from site, and even termination of contract. For the company, it can cause legal action, financial loss, and damage to reputation. PPE compliance is not for the company, it is for you. Every time you put on your PPE correctly, you are choosing to go home safe and healthy. Respect the rules, respect your PPE, and respect your life. Safety starts with you.